Right guys, so we're on our way to the next mine, slate mine, and we've been walking over an hour. I just found this spur of the moment last night and thought, oh, that's a good idea, let's go there, with no planning. Yeah, definitely plan before you go exploring, guys, because the mountain we have climbed and how dangerous it was, yeah, and we're not even sure if it's active yet, because we can hear machinery, but it's on the other side, not on this side. So we're going to risk it. It is a public footpath, so we haven't broken in or anything like that. We've just walked straight on and just carried on walking. But safety, we're just going to walk straight past the guys with all the machinery, I think. So, but whilst we're up here, we've found these little buildings up at the top of this cliff, shall we call it. But yeah, we've got some random slate buildings at the top here. So we're literally absolutely hanging. Absolutely hanging. We're hardcore explorers today because, I mean, what we've walked up is ridiculous. If it wasn't for the fog, you'd be able to see it better. But we're pretty high up at the moment. Yeah, you might have heard Neil in the background, but we're not even actually at the slate mine yet. We haven't even found the entrance. So, but yeah, just look at these. I'm not going to go anywhere near it because there's large puddles. You almost disappeared, mate. You look like a spirit. Yeah. Look how thick the fog is. I like to apologise. I'm not using my gimbal, so it's going to be quite shaky. But I thought once we got to the top of this mountain, I thought I'd show you. My legs are on fire. My calves are on fire.
Heavy as anything. This is quite a cool little mine. With the mist, like, it almost feels like we're in like Silent Hill.
Yeah.
Oh.
It definitely wasn't worth the climb though, just for this.
Look at that as well. Some more kind of like pulley systems.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
So there's a random wall up here as well.
I'm out of breath.
Some more buildings.
I just want to get to this mine, explore it.
So I'm struggling to hold the phone up at the moment because my body's aching so much.
Oh, you've got to laugh.
Whilst we were climbing up the hill, we were just both laughing because it hurt that much.
Yeah.
So we've walked up further up and we've got some more empty buildings with some equipment left in there. We're hoping the mine entrance is just a little bit further up the hill. Well, it's kind of a flat, it's not a hill anymore. We've come across these, so we're definitely on the right path. This is definitely the inactive part because we've got all this. I mean, I'd love to have seen this like fully active, people working. That would have been awesome. But yeah, this has just been left and abandoned by the looks of it.
Check this out.
What? So Neil just said there's a water fill.
Say what?
Oh yeah, that's why there's so much rain. It's coming off the cliff, look. So as you can see, just up there, the way the water's rushing off the cliff. And just running straight down this stream here, and then straight down the mountain. Just shows how much rain they've had here for it to be doing that.
So we can either go left, which takes us back outside.
All right.
All right, I'm thinking down there, aren't you?
Yeah, can do.
Okay.
So this wasn't the entrance, guys, what I thought. I saw from other places.
So
Have a look.
Who's this going on here? So I don't think this is the one that we're actually trying to look for.
It's like a little dam,
Yeah.
just water there, yeah.
But nevertheless,
It's a mine.
it's a mine. I don't know how much of this we're actually going to explore.
Because
It took us about 2 hours just to find it.
yeah,
2 hours to find this place.
and we basically ran out of time now,
And we're
but
running out of time, yeah, because we've all got our normal lives to get back to. I've got work in the morning.
but because we fully committed to so much energy coming here,
Yeah, like Andy just said, we fully committed to this now. We're going to keep to the main path, or main tunnel.
well, I noticed a lot of the arrows are pointing
The other way.
the other way.
It's a sign. Don't go any further. Oh, is it going up here?
There's like a little entrance here.
Yeah. Look at this. Yeah, like an entranceway. Could have been there for ages.
Yeah. The main thing is how far are we going to walk? I mean, how far does it go and how far we're willing to go?
I'm willing to walk until we find something cool. Again, another like entranceway.
Yeah.
It's got writing on this one.
I thought it was like graffiti.
Yeah, it might be graffiti actually.
Yes, we come in here and that stuff there is, unless it's just condensation, let's have a look. No, it could just be like mould or something growing off where it's so damp in here.
Yeah, it might be. Weird though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Seems like actual plastic material that you have on pointers jackets.
I can't. This room alone is massive.
This is weird though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like everywhere you look how it goes round.
Yeah, it goes round that way as well. So it's like this way or that way. And it just keeps going as well. I said here it just keeps going as well. Oh, comes to an end.
I don't know how far I really want to go.
Well, we can't go any further that way.
No. I kind of want to look on the edge.
The ceilings are leaking.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, it doesn't actually go anywhere.
This is where the whole fucking ledge collapses now.
It just goes.
Oh, it goes somewhere. It's goes right down.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Jeez.
Only goes under.
Does it?
Yeah.
I think our best bet's to go the other way.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
Yeah, so so you go down here, and then it goes. It looks like it goes under.
No, okay.
So we're gonna have a walk around that way, guys.
Yeah.
Sounds like it, doesn't it? Right, so we've come back to the beginning because there wasn't much to see down there. Just a couple of dead ends. Now we're going to try the left way and see what's down this way. Running low on batteries.
Running low and light.
Yeah. Morale's getting low. We're all getting tired. All exciting stuff. Hopefully this has got something good. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we finally found the main entrance that we're after. And now we're basically out of time. My torch is almost dying. Or almost dead. My phone is 24%. And we got to go down there. So it's going to be a dash. So we thought we'd film coming down here. I mean, there's no...
Right guys, we finally found the entrance that we were looking for. This whole time that we've been exploring today, this is what we've come for. My feet are killing. That's no exaggeration. My feet, honestly, are in so much agony. Sounds like there's a lot of water down here as well.
Yeah, it definitely sounds like a lot of water down at the bottom here.
Which is quite nerve-wracking.
Just watch your footing a little bit because there's quite a lot of slate loose. Yeah.
But as you can see, we are descending down. So this mine goes down, so the tracks will go down. The tracks are going
The
down
tracks
as
are
well.
going down.
So, yeah. This is hard to work for, isn't it?